Peace and love, royals. This video has found you because you are in a season where you are ready to level up. So this world we live in is a virtual reality. It is a simulation like a video game. So if you think of the video game, and in each level you are passing a test, you're building your character, there are things that come to stop you in your journey, distract you. And a lot of the times we focus on our problems. We focus on the bills we have to pay, the kids, the food we have to eat. And we're not really getting control of our mind. And I want to help you really get through this level that you're at. So ask yourself, like, really go within. And if you can vision in your mind what your life has looked like over the past day, over the past days, over the past week, to over the past months, I really want you to evaluate that, because that's going to allow you to see what is actually happening around you. Life can tend to be very, very busy. Like, there's so much going on, so much noise. And the way that you may need to really tap in with yourself is sit in a quiet space alone, put headphones on, go into the bathroom, close the door, and kick out the pets and the babies and all that. Don't kick out the babies. But you want to get yourself to a place that's quiet, and maybe let those around you know so that you don't get disturbed. If you have little kids, put something on for them for 5 minutes. This is the opportunity for you to give yourself self-love, all right? And for you to dive deep with yourself to a whole other degree, which would be that you're investing time with yourself so you can really pay attention to the season that you're in. Because this video was literally created for you to evolve and ascend and to reach a new level in this season. Because there have been things that have been holding you back. Maybe it's people, maybe it's your job, maybe it's the things around you. Maybe it is that you have yet to commit to yourself. And I really want you in this season to go above and beyond. And it has to be a non-negotiable. In your life, you should have a non-negotiable piece. So for me, anytime before 11 a.m. is non-negotiable time. I'm not answering the phone. I'm not talking to anybody. I really don't even schedule appointments. It is literally me time. And if I happen to be done with that me time sooner, and I'll open up to the world. But there should be a time that you schedule on your calendar that is literally for you, because it is important for you to get to this next level in your test. Spirit is saying this is the time. The time is now. If you've been wondering why you have not been hitting, a certain amount of money, if you've been wondering why your health hasn't improved, if you've been wondering why your relationships have been staying the same, this is because you've been going through this same cycle and pattern with whatever it is that I just mentioned or didn't mention for a while. And the way that we break that cycle is first identify it. So that's why I said step 1, take time to sit with yourself. And it really needs to be a quiet space. Listen and look at the thoughts that come into your mind. And if you can move past that analytical mind of those thoughts coming in, that's key. And then really see and start looking at, like, what is some of the patterns that have been happening? And if they've been patterns that are not conducive to the future reality of where you see yourself, you got to let them go. So maybe once you're done with this moment of journaling or meditation, then you write down to yourself, this is what the pattern has been, and I'm going to rise above this. And so I'm trusting that this information has helped you, and I will see you in the next video. Let's level up.